What's going on, everybody? Gary here, and today in this quick video I'm going to show you how to reset the Service Now light on a 2012 Volkswagen Passat. So to do this, first thing you want to do is turn the car on. You don't want to start it, you just want to turn it on to where all your lights illuminate and everything. Once it illuminates, as you see, you have the Service Now warning on display. So you just hit OK to go through that. And then you want to scroll to your settings menu. You want to go down here till it says service. Hit OK. And then you just want to hit reset. And it's going to ask you, do you really want to reset the service? Hit OK. And now the service is reset. So once you turn the car back off and you turn it on, you're going to get the initial lights and everything, but we should not get the Service Now warning. As you see, we didn't get it. So I hope this video helped any of y'all who's trying to figure out how to reset your service light after getting an oil change. If you like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe down below. And keep checking back for more videos that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for hanging out. Y'all have a good one.